Hey, Chip Watson, and today I'm here to bring you the latest news regarding the Jersey Shore. From school regionalization to affordable housing, we have everything you need to stay updated on our area. Before we dive into the latest updates, I'd like to take a moment to thank each of you who watch and like our videos, interact with us in the comments, and engage in general. This makes us even more motivated to bring you content that may help you in some way. So, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our social media. The winds of change are blowing through our educational system, with Steve Sweeney's gubernatorial run reigniting the debate on school regionalization. Imagine a streamlined educational system where resources are optimized and every student receives a top-tier education. This initiative, aimed at consolidating school districts, promises a brighter future for our students and relief for taxpayers. Yet, the path to regionalization is fraught with complexities. In Cape May County alone, the challenge of integrating districts like Woodbine, Dennis Township, and Middle Township requires careful consideration and community input. As we navigate this transition, it's crucial to balance the benefits of enhanced educational experiences against the backdrop of shrinking state aid and enrollment. The community's voice will be instrumental in shaping the future of our schools. As residents of Cape May County, we're facing a reality that's becoming hard to ignore: the rising cost of electricity. With rates climbing significantly, the impact on our monthly budgets is undeniable. These increases, driven by state auctions and infrastructure improvements, present a challenge. But within this challenge lies an opportunity for innovation and change. The shift to renewable energy sources, like solar and wind power, isn't just good for the planet. It's a smart way to stabilize and potentially lower our electricity costs in the long run. Moreover, energy efficiency is key. By adopting smarter appliances and making our homes more energy efficient, we're not just cutting down on costs, we're contributing to a sustainable future for Cape May County. The path to affordable electricity is paved with innovation, community effort, and a commitment to sustainability. By investing in renewable sources and embracing energy efficiency, we're not just addressing the rising costs, we're setting the stage for a greener, more resilient place. In the heart of the Jersey Shore, we understand that finding the perfect home at the right price is more than a transaction. It's a journey towards fulfilling your dream. While concerns about housing affordability may arise, we see a landscape rich with opportunity and promise. It's true that navigating the housing market can bring its set of challenges, especially when it comes to finding that sweet spot of affordability. However, Cape May County is on the cusp of a transformative era in housing. Our commitment to developing a diverse range of housing options means that the dream of homeownership is becoming more accessible to everyone. From innovative financing solutions to incentives for first-time buyers, we're dedicated to making sure that affordability doesn't stand in the way of your dream home. Beyond the price tag, the Jersey Shore offers unparalleled value. Our neighborhoods are not just places to live, they are places to thrive. With top-notch schools, beautiful parks, and a tight-knit community spirit, investing in a home here is investing in a lifestyle that's second to none. Let our experienced real estate professionals be your guide. With an in-depth understanding of the market and a passion for our community, we're here to navigate you through every step, ensuring that your journey to home ownership is as smooth and rewarding as possible. The Jersey Shore is buzzing with activity and innovation. Here's a quick drop of what's happening around us. Stone Harbor is considering letting homeowners add a second story. A public hearing on March 19th. Cape May introduces fees for city-owned EV charging stations. The proposed structure includes rates for both Level 2 and Level 3 chargers, with a public hearing scheduled for March 5 at City Hall. Stone Harbor debates parking solutions, to pay or not to pay. The discussion continues with the next council session set to further the discussion. Sea Isle City's community center gets a green light. They allocated $2.2 million to its construction, which begins this March. The Mahalo Resort project in Wildwood Crest got approval from the planning board after a long hearing, despite objections. Construction is set to begin after permits are obtained, with the developer viewing it as a win for the community despite setbacks. If you found inspiration in the stories we've shared, please take a moment to like this video and share it with friends, family, or anyone you know who dreams of a life filled with coastal sunsets, community warmth, and endless opportunities. Let's spread the word about the wonders of living by the Jersey Shore. Also, leave a comment down below. We're eager to hear your thoughts. Thank you once again for spending this time with us. Dream big.